supplier's inability to export or import these lots cannot justify a delay in payment or a sales cancellation.
Hi there everyone! On this gorgeous sunny day, I have a pleasure of taking you to a very interesting place. My online pedal is printed out, but we're actually going to a real offline auction house tour. This time we're heading to SOTHEBY'S HQ in London. That's coming up. So here we are now in the morning New Bond Street in West London. This fashionable district is home for many art-related companies, famous restorers, art galleries and auction houses. And today we're going to one of them, SOTHEBY'S London headquarters, one of the top oldest ever operating auction houses in the world. It is absolutely different to Drouot in Paris that we visited this summer, so don't forget to watch the dedicated video on my channel. Well, Drouot has a hectic, vivid, indoor life, a handful of auctions going simultaneously, roaming public is going in and out, checking the lots before lunch and bidding for them in the afternoon. Here at SOTHEBY'S, it's much more quiet and demure. Let's look at how it all happens when the sale is on. You may bid offline, if present, or someone from auction staff, look on the right, may give you a call and take your real-time bid over phone. And of course, online bidding is also a great opportunity to secure the lot.
Selling it at £55,000. Shoot one more? No, thank you. At £55,000.
Real offline auctions are happening on average only once a week, and it seems that the house is full for only grand all-master evening sales. Nevertheless, London HQ regularly hosts pre-sale exhibitions. They often bring remarkable items from their other worldwide locations, so there is always something to look at if you are in London and think of visiting the venue. Well, my friends, that's it for tonight. Thank you for being with me today at SOTHEBY'S. If you like this video, you may also like watching my other venue tour and art-related videos. And, of course, consider signing up for my channel because lots of new stuff is underway. I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye!